Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to today's game show, Write the Word. In today's show, you will need to write the beginning, middle, and ending sounds in each word. Don't get fooled in the challenge rounds, where you may hear digraphs in the words as well. Grab something to write with and let's play Write the Word. Win.
Break it down. Break it down.
Win. In. Map.
Break it down. Break it down.
Map. Map. Fox.
Break it down. Break it down.
Fox. Fox. Red.
Break it down. Break it down.
Red. Red. Hug.
Break it down. Break it down.
Hug. Hug. Jam.
Break it down. Break it down.
Jam. Jam. It's time for the challenge round. Chip.
Break it down. Break it down.
Chip. Chip. Shop.
Break it down. Break it down.
Shop. Shop. Bath.
Break it down. Break it down.
Bath. Bath. Thanks for playing Write the Word. And the next time you want to write a word,
Now you know just how to break it down. Go on and break it down.